Hello, Caroline here, and I'm back with another Plan With Me video. This time for week 3 of October. How was your month so far? Mine has been better than the previous ones. Or even better because I reached my first YouTube goal of 100 subscribers and a video that has been viewed for more than 1000 times. I'm still so happy. So what I mean by it being better is mainly because I had allergic reactions that started in about May and lasted for 4 months until I got an allergy test done. And boy, did I react to a lot of things. And I think now I figured out what caused all my allergic reactions to come out. It's chocolate, my guilty pleasure. I'm both allergic to hazelnut and cocoa. Well, guess I can't have it as often anymore. Or should probably remove altogether from my diet. With that, I've been starting that food challenge, where I stop eating one of the allergic food items for 4 to 5 days, eat 1 serving after those days, and wait 2 more days for a reaction to occur. When I have a reaction, then I definitely am allergic to that food item. Anyways, for this spread I chose another witch hat and pot, but this time not with the little witch, instead with her broom. The colors I kept all the same, but I changed the headlines for the days to be different. I always wanted to try the big lettering out, and here it is! Do you like more stories of my everyday life while seeing the spreads being done? Or should I keep it to the usual video style? Leave your opinion in the comments down below. And that's it for this video. Click the thumbs up button and subscribe button. All the materials I used will be in the description box below. And thank you so much for watching. Bye!